Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t square minus t cubed equals to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here you see that this is a cubic equation. This means that this equation has three roots, so that we need to find all that roots of this equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to move this 12 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as t square minus t cubed minus 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we need to rewrite this equation as this is t square minus t cubed, and this is minus 12, we write it as minus 8 minus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So again in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t square minus t cubed minus this is 8, we write it as 2 cubed, minus this is 4, we write it as 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to make the pair of square term with square term and cubic term with cubic term. So this is t square and this is 2 square, and further you see that both of these two terms have negative sign. We need to take common here. So when you take common minus 1, we get the remaining values are t cubed plus 2 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to use here there are two nice algebraic formulas. The first formula is if we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and the second cubic formula is a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So according to these two formulas, we expand our above equation as in this form. So here first we apply this formula on this term, and it will be written as in this form t minus 2 times of t plus 2, and here we have minus 1 into, here we apply this cubic formula, and it will becomes t plus 2 times of t square minus t into 2 plus 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that both of these two terms involve t plus 2, so that we will be take common the factor t plus 2 from here, and after taking common this we get the remaining values are, from here we get t minus 2, and from here we multiply negative sign on each of these values, and it will be written as minus t square plus 2 times of t, and this is 2 square, and 2 square becomes here 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as in this form. So this is t plus 2 times of, here we have minus t square, and this is t plus 2t becomes here 3t, and minus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t plus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write minus t square plus 3t minus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from here we move this plus 2 to the right hand side, and we get the value of t is equals to minus 2. So this is the only one root of the given equation, and you see here this is the quadratic equation, and we need to use here the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we have here we first multiplying both of the sides by minus 1, and when we multiply by minus 1 it will be written as this is minus t square becomes plus t square, this is plus 3t becomes minus t, then this is plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So after using the before using the quadratic formula, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c is equals to plus 6, and we state the quadratic formula as t equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and after substituting all these values we will get here t is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3, so this is minus times minus becomes plus 3, and plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 3 square, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 6, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we will obtain 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square becomes 9, and 4 times of 6 becomes 24, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step we have, this is 3 plus minus 9 minus 24 is equals to minus 15 square root, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that the negative sign appears inside the square root sign, and so this will be written as in the form of iota. So we have 3 plus minus square root of 15 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and finally we have t is equals to minus 2 be the only one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.